introduced the new CoreBook Air, a next-generation Copilot plus PC designed for powerful AI capabilities, long battery life, and premium portability. According to it combines Lunar Lake performance plus Copilot AI capabilities in ultra-thin 1.2 kg design, helping bringing advanced AI PCs to wider audience and more affordable price point. The company aims to take more advanced AI-powered computing more accessible to students, professional creators, and workers. It features a slim and lightweight design. It's made from premium CNC crafted aluminum chassis. Its compact form factor makes it suitable for students attending classes, content creators, business professionals, and remote workers. The laptop comes with 14-inch IPS display featuring 2.8K resolution, supporting 90Hz refresh rate, covering 100% of sRGB color gamut. The combination delivers sharper text, detailed visuals, smoother scrolling, and improved video viewing experience. You get an Intel Core Ultra 5226V processor based on Intel Lunar Lake Series 2 architecture. It has 8 CPU cores and 8 threads. Graphic duties are handled by integrated Intel Arc 130V GPU, which Chuwi claims to deliver twice the graphics performance as older Intel Iris Xe solutions. One of the biggest highlights is the AI performance. The system delivers 97 TOPS of total AI computing power and includes an Intel AI Boost NPU capable of 40 NPU TOPS. Running Windows 11 Pro out of the system, it supports Microsoft Copilot plus PC experience like Click to Do, Co-Create, and Live Captions. A dedicated AI key is also present. It supports 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM, and it has sub 512 GB PCIe SSD storage. A 55 kWh battery is used and is rated for 15 hours of local video playback. Charging is handled by 65 watts USB-C power delivery. For connectivity, it is Wi-Fi 6E. Port selection include 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with up to 40 Gbps bandwidth. Power delivery support, external display connectivity, and eGPU support. It has 3 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.0 port, and 3.5 audio headphone jack. It's available for pre-orders. It carries an official price of $800, but early buyers can get it for $50 off.